Issues. Whoa, not these kind.
Consumerism, friendships,
Relationships.
girlfriend problem,
Health and fitness.
environment, social networks, education,
Sustainability.
culture.
Family violence. Youth voice.
A brand new show coming soon every Saturday 7 p.m. on Face TV.
प्यार के बारे में इतना नहीं सोचा जाता, उनसे कह दो ख़त्म करें मेरी आँखों का सफ़र। देख लीजिए, अब सफ़र ख़त्म तो नहीं हुआ, अभी सफ़र की शुरुआत हुई है। वैसे रूपा आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हो गई है। हमारा प्यार कबूल कीजिए। आप तो जानते हैं आपने 10 साल तक मेरा साथ दिया है और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, और ये साथ अब चलता रहेगा। हमने आपके लिए एक बहुत ही नया और बहुत ही एनर्जेटिक प्रोग्राम शुरू किया है जिसे यूथ वॉइस का नाम दिया है, और हमारे कुछ बहुत प्यारे प्यारे से एंकर हैं जिसे होस्ट किया करेंगे। एक का नाम है रॉन और एक है सिमरन। आइए देखें वो क्या आज नज़ारा दिखाते हैं।
Welcome to Rupa Arab Presents Youth Voice.
I'm Ron and this is Simran.
So as you know, today's topic is relationships. Ron, what do you think? How long do relationships last these days?
Well, according to me, these days I think about anywhere from 2 months to a year.
Only?
Yep.
Let's check it out. What do you think the average time of a committed relationship is nowadays?
It actually depends on the geography that we're talking about.
The youth, basically.
It again depends on the geography. I'm so sorry to say, because from the place that I'm coming in, it is usually a little longer than the western side of the world. So probably in the western side, it's like at least 5 to 6 years maybe. And a longer time where I'm coming from, that is India.
Wow. For like the youth, it would be like a few months.
Like eight months maybe.
Yeah, but for that's pretty good.
Some people are
Adults.
like 2 years, but for like adults maybe like
Years. But
7+ years.
3 years probably.
3 years? Yeah. That's a long time. Okay. What is the most important thing in your opinion to maintain a long-term relationship?
Honesty.
Honestly.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Understanding. The frequency should match. They should understand each other. Empathy. That's all. Basically, understanding and empathy.
I reckon communication.
Yeah, I was about to say
Communication
communication.
is good.
Like if you talk about your problems, and you can like be on the same page
you
and like
gotta have like fun,
Just talk
but
in
and
general.
like resolve
but be able
them.
to have serious moments as well.
Yep.
So you gotta have
Yeah,
a mix of the
just
two.
in general.
Honesty
to
is
talk.
policy.
That's a big one, eh? Sweet, awesome. Are people afraid of commitment these days?
Yep.
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
like
you can
the
get hurt
divorce
easily.
rate is really high as well. No, it is.
Especially
It's like
with youth.
50-50
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah.
Today and up front we have with us Vani, a counselor who will be talking to us about communications and relationships.
Today we're here with Vani Alkishan. She is a counselor for the Asian community and she deals with families with problems, and we're going to have a few words with her today and see what how to deal with those problems. So here we go. Vani, could you please explain in a few words how communication can be effectively conducted between adults and groups?
Yeah. Communication has to be firstly honest and keeping it simple so that there's no conflict. It's important that each party speaks with respect, because things that are said in anger, it's like when something is spilled out, you can't pick it up, and words are like that. The damage lasts forever. Even though you come back and say sorry, you can't fix it. That is what I see with clients that I'm dealing with at the moment. So it's important that we are sensitive to how the person is feeling, being aware of what's going on in their life. That's important because a person, like I was giving you an example earlier, you could be coming in after an exam all stressed up, and if a family member straight away picks on you, nags you for not cleaning the room, that's going to get you upset and even more annoyed. But you are actually relating and reacting to the stress of being at the exams all day, not quite what is happening now. So the best thing to do in that situation would be to allow you to chill, to have a moment to yourself, have your cup of tea, and then approach them and say, I noticed you did not do the room today. It upsets me to see the house messy. Do you mind doing it? So that is better than yelling at you, why didn't you do the room, and things like that.
So when communicating, how would you convey feelings and thoughts in a positive manner?
Okay. Using a positive tone, that's number one. Using I sentences rather than you, because you sentences can lead to an accusatory tone, causing the person to be defensive. So it's better to say, I feel upset when this is not done. So that gives them the idea that you are not feeling happy, but you are not blaming, you are just expressing your feelings. So the tone is very important, and not drudging up, not dragging out old issues. Last week you didn't do this either, yesterday you didn't do it, that's not helpful. It's also important that family members realize that nobody is a mind reader. So if there is an issue, it's important that you speak about it. Like I said, in a positive tone, using I sentences, because expecting or assuming that the other party should know something is just going to lead to disappointment and frustration. I am feeling this, or I would like to do this, not expecting the mom to know for what you want, or the mom expecting the child to know that this is what is expected of them. It's an ongoing process of communication, of talking, and just rehashing things and negotiating things constantly. I know it's hard work, but it pays off because you'll have a healthy, loving relationship, and that's what we strive for.
खुद के लिए या किसी दोस्त के लिए गाड़ी की पसंद की बात आए तो लोग बड़ी गर्व के साथ में द कार क्लीयरेंस सेंटर का नाम लेते हैं।
Hi, I'm Jack Dubey, Managing Director of the Car Clearance Center. We have been in business since 1996. We bring in good quality, low mileage, colorful cars from Japan for our customers in New Zealand.
We offer the best deal with speedometer certified, the mechanical warranty, and of course the best after sales service.
आप भी जाइए और द कार क्लीयरेंस सेंटर की कुशल सेल्स टीम से आज ही मुलाकात कीजिए या फिर रिंग कीजिए जैक दुबे या दलीप सिंह को फोन 276-8148 पर। द कार क्लीयरेंस सेंटर।
We are here to save you.
न्यूजीलैंड में पहली बार कल्चरली एप्रोप्रिएट रेस्ट होम आशीर्वाद रेस्ट होम, आपका अपना, अपने घर की तरह, आपकी अपनी भाषा में बात करने वाले, देखने वाले लोग, आपका भारतीय खाना, आपका अपना मनोरंजन। अगर आपके वरिष्ठ बीमार हैं या अपने साथियों के बीच में रहना चाहते हैं तो इससे बेहतर कोई और जगह नहीं होगी। साफ सुथरा वातावरण, घुमाना फिराना और हॉस्पिटल केयर हर वक्त उपलब्ध रहेगी। डेविड लॉन्गे, 4 जेम्स स्ट्रीट, मैंग्रे में। आप मीना से कांटेक्ट करें या जीत को 4430579 या 021221020 पर
और मीना को 2560092 पर।
आशीर्वाद रेस्ट होम।
सभी फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज एक ही छत के नीचे, आपको और इधर उधर जाने की जरूरत नहीं, जबकि आपके सारे फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज और जरूरतों की पूर्ति एक ही जगह हो जाती है। मॉर्गेजेस पर 95% फाइनेंस या फिर लाइफ, मेडिकल, मॉर्गेज प्रोटेक्शन, इंश्योरेंस, मॉर्गेज रिकंस्ट्रक्चरिंग, रेंटल प्रॉपर्टी रिटर्न्स, इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन विल्स एंड ट्रस्ट, मतलब सभी कुछ अंडर वन रूफ। और जानकारी के लिए संपर्क करें प्रोफेशनल फाइनेंशियल सॉल्यूशंस लिमिटेड के रवि मेहता या फिर रोहित टकियार को, और इन्हें आज ही फोन करें 8469934 पर।
And this is Tips Before You Flip.
And today we're going to talk about what is a must in the survival of relationships.
Number 1, trust. If you don't trust your partner, it's really not going to work out. Until you can trust them wholeheartedly, don't commit to the relationship.
Number 2, understanding. You guys and girls need to understand and communicate with each other. If she can't text you, dude, you have to understand. She might have a reason behind it.
Number 3, compromise. Don't be hard-headed over an argument. Learn to let it go. It's fine. If your partner likes blueberry muffins over a cheesecake, it's okay. It's okay to understand the other person and put yourself down for a bit. It will make your relationship wonderful.
Number 4, if you can't respect your partner, I'm sorry, it's not going to work out. You need to accept and respect every single one of their flaws and qualities. You gotta give respect to get respect.
Number 5, personal space. Guys, you have to build a wall between you and the girl. Maybe give her some space to, do her own thing. And guys, you can do your own thing in the meanwhile.
6, past is past. Oh, something happened on 30th June. You said something on 5th May. Oh no, you replied to me on 7th of April. Is your relationship a calendar? Don't keep things in mind. It's okay. Let go of it. Take every day as it comes. Learn new and live well.
Number 7, spending time with each other. The more time you spend with each other, the more you get to know each other, the more you fall in love. Ta-da!
Number 8, attractive beyond the mirror. What does that mean? Well, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. We all know what that means, but do we always apply it? It's the inside that counts.
Number 9, little gestures. Get your girlfriend a rose once in a while or your boyfriend a pair of sneakers. Little gestures are very important to keep relationships fresh.
Number 10, humor. Every relationship requires a little bit of humor. You can learn to laugh everything off in life.
Nowadays, you must have noticed that many youngsters are having emotional eating issues, and related with that, the general research has been shown in worldwide that youngsters are having obesity related problems, and the most important reason behind this is emotional eating. What is emotional eating? Many youngsters, they often land up into various stress factors coming from the studies or whether personal relationships, and when they are depressed, when they are sad or when they are stressed, they land up into eating something which gives them gravity, gives them happiness, gives them a satisfaction, and that sort of thing happens mostly through the sweet chocolates or heavy food or overeating. So whenever this stress related eating happens, emotional eating we call it, it's very important to rule out the cause factor behind it. Most of the time these eating issues are only satisfied with the heavy carbohydrate intake. So whenever you are having emotional eating, you just try to find out whether the quality of the food and quantity of the food which you are selecting, mostly it is heavy substances, and then more heavy food you are having, the attachment through that food gives you the satisfaction, happiness, relaxed in the mind, and then you keep on eating and eating. So these type of emotional eatings are addressed with very proper type of dietary plan, lifestyle plan, exercises, and then you have to start finding out the how your daily routine starts, and when you are trying to organize smallest thing from the morning to the evening, you keep to the solution and you stop doing that emotional eating, because addressing the emotional eating first is most important thing, because many people do not want to acknowledge that this emotional eating is happening because of something which is root inside. So if you want to stop emotional eating, first sit down with any proper practitioner or somebody who can notify you what is happening inside the body.
ऑकलैंड होम्योपैथिक सॉल्यूशंस लिमिटेड आपकी सेहत में मिलावट के बिना, और वो भी बिना किसी साइड इफेक्ट के, सिर्फ होम्योपैथी ही दे सकती है राहत। और वो है डॉक्टर पुष्पिंदर, जो आपको एलर्जी, एस्थमा, कफ, पिंपल्स, जॉइंट पेन्स, हे फीवर, हार्मोनल डिसबैलेंसेस लाइक थायराइड, लेडीज प्रॉब्लम्स के इलाज से जुड़े सवालों के देंगी जवाब।
मेरा नाम डॉक्टर पुष्पिंदर है और मैं एक होम्योपैथिक डॉक्टर हूँ। पिछले 30 साल से मैं आपकी सेवा में कार्यरत हूँ। अगर आपको कोई एक्यूट या कोई क्रॉनिक प्रॉब्लम है या बहुत देर से ट्रीटमेंट ले भी रहे हैं, आपकी प्रॉब्लम नहीं ठीक हो रही, तो आप एक बार ज़रूर मुझे कांटेक्ट करिए, क्योंकि होम्योपैथी बिल्कुल सेफ़ मेडिसिन है। चाहे बच्चे लें या प्रेग्नेंट लेडीज़ लें या बूढ़े लें, सबके लिए सेफ़ है। तो एक बार ज़रूर आप मुझे मिलिए और अपनी प्रॉब्लम मेरे साथ डिस्कस कीजिए।
Mummy, 2.5 times 4.
10. And Mom, which is the strongest animal on the earth?
Elephant. Or 74 plus 89?
And
3.
And Mom, what is the capital of New Zealand?
Wellington, beta. Far out, Mom. You are so smart. Hold up. You haven't had your milk yet. I'll go and get some.
But Mom, you twisted your arm last night.
No, stupid. Mummy didn't. Papa twisted it. Now, Mummy?
Do not change the topic. If you won't have milk, you won't get as smart as I am.
If you're so smart, then why don't you protect yourself, Mom?
What's the use of being exceptionally smart when you can't do anything for yourself? Our kids learn what they see. Protect their future by protecting yourself. आज सवारो, कल निखारो.
Hello, Jagruti.
Desire to have a baby is every woman's first right. Don't give up. If you have problems in conceiving, then we would encourage you not to give up. Get the best possible specialized medical advice. We appreciate that it can be a long and often frustrating process. For ultimate help, try Ayurvedic Fertility Solutions, where we practice a holistic approach. We can give you absolute professional support during this time. Make a positive decision to get as much help as possible. Be positive and come to Ultimate Ayurveda Health Clinic. Call 0800 829 2045 today and book your appointment with Dr. Priya as soon as possible. Dr. Priya has 25 years of specialization and many success stories to share. Visit ayurvedic.co.nz now to book your appointment with Dr. Priya Punjabi before it's too late. Call Dr. Priya on 0800 829 2045. Email priya@ayurvedic.co.nz.
And today with us we have this amazing couple.
And they've recently celebrated their 42nd marriage anniversary.
Let's hear about their love story.
Throughout our lives, we encounter different relationships.
Whether it's mother-daughter,
boyfriend-girlfriend,
brother-sister,
husband-wife,
or even best friends. But regardless of the relationship,
it's important to know how to deal with them,
face them,
and keep them healthy. Earlier this week, Simran was lucky enough to get to meet Mr. and Mrs. Nurdin,
who just celebrated their 42nd anniversary.
So let's check it out.
अभी आप बताइए आपकी लव स्टोरी शुरू कैसे हुई?
एक्चुअली ये मेरी बहन का देवर है। तो अभी मेरी बहन का रिश्ता हुआ, बाद में मेरी मुलाकात हो गई इनसे और बाद में फिर मुलाकातें होती रही, फिर तो आना जाना हो गया शुरू ना।
पिकनिक जाते रहे, फिर मैं एक तो गाना गाता था, तो मालूम है तो वो एक गाना लिख लिया, तो घर पे आया तो मैं गाया, तो वो देख के मेरी मदर बोलती ये क्या, उसके बाद ये गाना कैसा आया, अभी तो पोर्ट खुल गया अभी। तो अभी बोला चलो अभी हम लोग भी मतलब डिसाइड किए शादी करने का। वैसे तो 4-5 साल गए ऐसे, फिर बाद में माँ बाप राजी हो गए।
तो फुल बॉलीवुड फिल्म की तरह हुआ होगा। और अभी तो 42 इयर्स हो गया।
आज हमारी एनिवर्सरी है, 42nd एनिवर्सरी टुडे।
वाह।
लेकिन बहुत एक दूसरे पे बहुत विश्वास है। हम लोग इतना फ्रीली रहते हो, भारतीय समाज वालों को पता है सब, एकदम बिंदास, कभी शक नहीं, कभी आगे शक हुआ तो खलास, शादी का सत्यानाश, शादी टूट जाती।
आप दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ नोकझोंक करते रहते हो?
वो तो रोज का है
रोज का रोज
भाई,
होता
उसके बगैर तो वो नहीं आता है ना, वो नोक-झोंक होती तो प्यार बढ़ता है ना, उसके बिना
झगड़े हो तो प्यार होता
हाँ,
पड़ता
होता
है,
है ना, पहला कुछ और फिर प्यार
वो
बढ़ता
तो
है।
मानता ही है ना।
और मैंने सुना आप दोनों डांस भी करते हैं, सुना क्या, देखा है?
वैसे हम लोग ने बहुत टाइम परफॉर्म किए, स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस दिए, आपको एक झलक भी दिखला देंगे बाद में। वैसे गाना अच्छा गाते हैं।
गा के बताइए थोड़ा सा इनके लिए।
इनके लिए
हाँ जी, वो एक गाना गा दीजिए जो
एक लाइन गा के सुना दे।
दिल ने ये कहा है तुमसे, मोहब्बत हो गई है तुमसे, मेरी जान मेरे दिल पर, मेरा एतबार कर लो, जितना बेकरार हूँ मैं, खुद को बेकरार कर लो, मेरी धड़कनों को समझो, तुम भी मुझसे प्यार कर लो, तुम भी मुझसे प्यार कर लो, तुम भी मुझसे प्यार कर लो।
What would you like to say to our young generation that is building on their relationships right now to sustain long relationships like yours?
हिंदी में बोलूं, आजकल क्या फैशन हो गया नाउअडेज, बस शादी के अरे पसंद आ गया, शादी हो गई, लव मैरिज कर दे, बाकी थोड़ा टाइम नहीं गया, इज नॉट ओके, वो ऐसा करता है, उसका ऐसा है, एंड दे जस्ट लीव इट। दे डोंट, स्मॉल प्रॉब्लम्स होती नहीं उन लोग के बीच में, फिर मतलब का और झगड़ा हो जाता है। ऐसे एक दो केसेस अभी हमारे उधर भी हुए, लेकिन अभी हम लोग ने उसको समझा के कोशिश करके भाई ये छोटी छोटी मैटर्स को मत करो, क्योंकि फिर लाइफ कैसी जाएंगी। यू हैव टू बेयर बोथ ऑफ देम ना, तुम लोग दोनों जो है, कभी इसको तकलीफ करके तुम लोग को दोनों को समझौता करके आगे बढ़ने का है। ऐसा नहीं कि इसका वो ऐसा कर, वो ऐसा करता है, वो बराबर नहीं करता, कमाता नहीं, ऐसे यू हेल्प हिम, साइड बाय साइड तुम भी करो। एक जमाना हमारा भी ऐसा एक टाइम आया था जब ये उसकी जॉब चले गया, हाँ, मैंने कभी काम नहीं किया मेरी माँ के लाइफ में, कभी काम नहीं किया, बट आई हैड टू जॉब, आई हैड टू टेक द
जॉब करना पड़ा,
एंड आई वर्क फॉर 16 years, यू बिलीव, माय फैमिली एवरीबॉडी वाज शॉक्ड।
तो मैं एक लव का गाना गाता था, इफ यू डोंट माइंड।
बिल्कुल।
दिल से दिल टकराए, कब तक चादर ओढ़ के, करते तकियों से बातें, नींद चली गई रूठ के, कैसे कटती रातें, दिल दे के घर आए, घर आकर पछताए, सब्र की डोरी टूट गई तो लव मैरिज कर आए, लव मैरिज कर आए।
ये मैसेज है तुम्हारा सबको, लव मैरिज कर आए, तुम लोग लव मैरिज कर रहे।
All relationships need trust, loyalty, and faith.
That is so true, but a little bit cheesy. Speaking of cheesy, let's go have a look what's cooking in the student kitchen today. So today we'll be making cheesecake, and the ingredients we need for that is 50 grams of butter, a cup of icing sugar, a couple of cookies, a pack of ricotta cheese, a tub of Philadelphia cream cheese, some Nutella, and heavy whipping cream. So to start off with, firstly we'll put all our cookies into a blender. Once you've finished grinding up all the cookies, we'll add some butter to it. So that started, we'll just take the mixture out and then we'll move on to the next step. I've already greased my tin, so the next thing we do is just pour our mixture into the bottom of the tin and just press it down so that it becomes like a cookie base. Leave that to the side. So to make our cream, firstly we'll add the ricotta cheese. Then we also add the cream cheese. And to that we add our cup of icing sugar. Okay. And then we just blend it all together. Okay. Here I'll just add in a little bit of vanilla essence. You don't really have to do this, but I like the taste of vanilla, so it's a personal preference. And now we'll add in a little bit of the heavy whipping cream. Just a little at a time until we get a thick consistency. So as soon as we've done that, we'll just pour this over our cookie base. So grab a couple of spoonfuls of Nutella and then heat it for about 15 to 20 seconds. Alright, so as soon as you get a runny consistency like that, we'll just pour it into the middle, and I'm going to make a heart out of it. Okay, so this is our final cheesecake. I'll put it in the fridge for about 3 hours to let it set, and then we'll come back and see how it worked.
Well, that was our take on relationships.
If you like this episode, have a look on Facebook, Twitter, or even search us up on YouTube.
And join us next week for social networking.